Hey friends, welcome back to Data Analytics Talks. In this video, let's look into the aggregator transformation in Informatica. Let's have a little theory. So we have to configure an aggregator transformation to perform aggregate calculations, such as averages and sums, against group of data. You can use an aggregator transformation to remove duplicate rows. The aggregator transformation behaves like the expression transformation, except you can configure the aggregate transformation to perform calculations on group of data. The expression transformation returns on a row by row basis. But aggregate transformation gives you a group by information. So for an example, you can use the aggregate transformation to calculate the average salary of employees in each department of an organization. In the aggregate transformation, create a group for the department number and then configure expression to calculate the average salary for the employees in each group. Okay. So let's go back to our PowerCenter. For that, let me take you to my Oracle database. So we have done sales order by order details about 10, about 25, about less than 10, right? So we will take one of them. So we will see the sales order details about 25. So we have quite number of data available. So here, so we want to know the total by the special offer ID. The sales are happening and the retail shop declared some offers. During the sales, there were special offers. And I want to know how much sold against each offer. So we can do that using aggregator transformation. Okay. So we will be using this data from sales order details about 25 as a source. Then we will use sales by offer type as a destination or target. So this table has only few fields like offer ID, sales quantity, then sales amount. Okay, then there is no data. So we want to populate this group by table or aggregator table from the sales order details above 25. We are back into Informatica PowerCenter. Yes, let's again start a new folder, new project. Let's go to the repository. Create a folder. This is called Aggregator. Okay, let's put like a sales by offer type. Sales by offer type. Click OK. The folder is created. Let's close this. So we'll go back to our repository. So I will disconnect. Let's connect. Of course, we have to give. Okay. So this is sales order groups, sales by offer. Okay. Let me open this. First of all, we will connect to our database. So we are going to the HR DB and we have the password. Let me connect this. We have the HR, we have the tables. For the source, we said we will be choosing the sales order details about 25. Click OK. So the source is added. Let's go to the target. Let's go to the target. So here we will be having our target. Let's go to again to DB. I will select HR and let's see, expand the tables. So here we will be going for sales offer by type. Okay. So we have the source, we have the destination. Now let's go to the mapping. Click on mapping. Let's go to create mapping. So we'll have M sales by offer. Okay. We have the mapping. So the mapping, let's actually add the source. We have the sales above. We have all the information about our sales order in this source. Okay. Then we have the destination. We have the target, that is a sales order by type. This is just having only 3 fields: order ID, sales quantity, sales amount. So we have to go to the aggregator transformation. So this is aggregator. Let's put this. So let's add these fields for the aggregator. So we don't need all, okay, right? We don't need all. We just need only 3 columns, right? So let me just double click. We have the transformation. We can go to the port. Okay. So basically, we want the offer ID. We will need the offer ID. We don't need a sales order ID. We don't need. We don't need the sales order. We don't need carrier. We don't need the quantity, order quantity. We don't need this. We don't need this. We don't need line total. We don't need unit price. Unit price discount. We don't need special offer ID. That offer ID we need. And product ID we don't need. Product quality we don't need. Don't need. So we have only the offer ID. Then we have the line and total we don't need. So we'll create a new column where we will say sales sum. This will be a decimal. This will be sales sum. It will be out. Okay. And also we will need one more sales sum. And this is this number. We can go with a number integer. So let's go to the properties. This not input. There's also not as in. So we have to have an expression, right? So what we will do? We have go to here. Let's add the export. It should be this is the sales sum, right? Sales sum. That is the total line total. So I can say sum of line total. Okay, let's validate. Put. Let me see the in the line total to. We want to change that to decimal. Okay, we also need to the quantity and the sales quantity. The sales quantity. So also we'll put to number. So in this case, put port. So we have added like sum, right? So here you can see that line total is order quantity. That's also we can make it as a integer. Okay, apply. So now I need to go here. I need to put. Let me see the expression. Let me check. We just remove this. Let's go to the port. We have this is sales sum. We have the line total. Let me see of line total. Validate. The expression successful. Okay. So if you find that the port is non-numeric, we have to convert that to numeric to apply aggregator functions. Okay. Supply. Then let's go to the quantity sum. Here also we want to do the sum of. We want the sum of order quantity, right? So go back, put order quantity. Let's validate. Is expression successful? Okay. So now we have applied the aggregator transformation. But I know this will give you sum, right? This will give you sum. But this is not grouped. So we have to group by. We have to group by the order, sales, offer. Okay, the offer ID. So let's come. Let's click on the offer ID by group. Okay. So the value should be grouped. Okay, let's apply. Okay. So we have 3 out, right? We have so offer ID. Let's map offer ID. This offer ID. Okay, sum of order quantity. Put it here. Let's also put the line total here. Let me order this, arrange all. Okay, you can also see iconic. We arrange all. So we have completed our aggregator transformations. Save this. It's invalid. It's invalid. So looking good. So whenever there is any data type issues, please try to change the data types to avoid kind of mapping or conversion errors. Okay. Then let's go to the workflow manager. The workflow manager, let's create a new workflow with the workflow designer. Get to workflow. So we'll have to create workflow sales by offer. Okay, so we start. Then we have to go to the task. Let's create a new task. Let's create a session. We have the sales by offers. Create. So done. So let's go to the workflow again for designer. So we need to track this offer session. And we need to link. Click on the link. We don't need to have any, save this. So valid. So we don't need to set any mapping here because both tables are from Oracle. So automatically this is dictated. We don't need to make any challenges or changes. Okay. So now let's open the monitor also. So I will just close this. I will open the monitor again. Monitor is ready. So let me right click and start the workflow. Let's go to the monitor. So it is running. It's running. Succeeded. So what is our expectation? We are going to get the sum of the quantity and sum of the sales total against each offer in our table. Okay. So let's go to the monitor. Let's go to again, see the details. So we have just 2 records in the destination table, right? Let's go back and see what is in the database. The database we have offer ID 4, sales quantity 4642, and the sales amount is 248297, and we have the offer ID 5. It's 170 quantity and 3474. So we have arrived these from the table code above. So let's see what type of offer ID. We have this offer ID 4 and we have offer ID 5. Offer ID 4 and 5 here. So so this is aggregator transformation that we can do simply easily with the Informatica PowerCenter. Okay. Thank you.